This video will be your guide on how to use F1 Studio on Mac. You need first to download the official Studio Mac version. From ImageLine's website, they've optimized it for Mac OS, so no more tricky workarounds needed. Install the app, dragging it to your application folder. Then open FL Studio and authorize your license or start a free trial. Get familiar with the Mac interface. It's very similar to Windows but streamlined. You can use native plugins and third-party VSTs compatible with Mac OS. Connect your MIDI devices and audio interfaces connect through Bluetooth or USB for seamless recording and production. And that's it, you're ready to create amazing music on FL Studio for Mac in 2025.